Man, yo, show them how much them motherfucking fuses is. Now, you ask the comment section, if y'all was to walk in there and needed one motherfucking fuse, you about to pay $10, $15 for them damn fuses. I think the fuck not.
Vlog. Back at the shop. Oscar supposed to be here in a little bit. Taking his car to work. That's why I left a little bit early today, and it was a wreck, so I definitely need to leave early. But yo, waiting on him, and I will tune y'all in. I won't be here, so I probably won't get the vlog none of it unless he vlog of it, some of it, and give me like some content. But yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned. Well, Oscar back here cooking. We back with the stars. We back. Got motherfucking stars in here and shit. Yes, sir. We back. What's up, y'all? So we getting at the whip. Yeah. Oh, well, at least we gotta get a fuse because the fuse in the sky. The fuse box back here. I gotta get a new fuse for the thing, for the cigarette lighter. And I need a 20. I was gonna put a 15 in there, but it's not gonna be strong enough. He said it's gonna go out if I put something in it. Good, how about yourself? So we gotta find, I normally go to Events Auto Park, but O'Reilly's was closer, and that's what Oscar suggested yesterday. So we gonna see. Oh, here we go. Let me call him and make sure. Because arguably, we're gonna see what he say.
This motherfucker ass fuse, boy. You knew that took me in that motherfucker.
This motherfucker talking about go to Walmart and steal.
Look, yeah, vacuum, that's it.
Bro, what you getting into today, bro?
Goddamn, I'm at the shop right now washing these cars and shit. So shit, we got them busting them out. I got one more little build I'm trying to finish up, and after this, I'm gonna be out of here. You know, I'm still trying to hop in that motherfucking Tesla right quick for the weekend, but them niggas, I'm just see what Enterprise got, man. I still ain't heard shit about the truck yet.
Damn.
Yeah. Shit, so I'm about to get these niggas on the road, and then after I finish this up, then I'm gonna goddamn be on my side. So
Alright, bet. Just let me know. And don't be telling me to steal another goddamn thing.
Man, yo, show them how much them motherfucking fuses is. Now, you ask the comment section, if y'all was to walk in there and needed one motherfucking fuse, you about to pay $10, $15 for them damn fuses. I think the fuck not.
This motherfucker told me to go to Walmart and steal it, bruh. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe my card, Apple Pay, and keep it pushing.
I don't condone the violence, but goddamn shit, times is hard out this motherfucker.
Bruh, it's hard, because that was the first thing he said. Hey, look what this sign say, bruh.
What sign?
Shoplifting is a crime.
Hey, yeah, if you get caught, shit.
Bruh, this nigga.
But let me let you go, bro. I gotta finish some calls, man. They've been waiting on me, man. Like,
Alright, bet.
right now.
I get up with you, bro. Alright, y'all. I'm about to try to switch this damn fuse real quick and see how it go. I was talking about, bro, if you on my side of town, I'll do it for you. Bro, trying to play me like I can't get shit done. Like so. But low-key, we gonna see how this shit work. I got y'all on the fucking battery. Let me move y'all. Let's see, we're gonna put y'all right there. Instead of putting y'all on a battery, because the thing battery is not the best place to put. I got it done. Somebody called me, but I just went ahead and did it.